Welcome. If you've been getting constant alerts every time one of your contacts joins X, formerly known as Twitter, and it's starting to get a bit annoying, don't worry, you're in the right place. In this video, I'll show you step by step how to turn off those notifications on your PC using the latest update. Let's get started. First, open the X app on your computer. Once you're in, take a look at the menu on the left-hand side of your screen. You'll see several options there: Home, Explore, Messages, and of course, Notifications. Click on Notifications to open your notification center. Now, at the top right corner of the Notifications page, you'll find a small gear icon that says Settings. Go ahead and click on that. This is where you can control all the notifications you receive on X, from likes and mentions to new followers and more. Next, under the Settings section, you'll see an option called Preferences. Click on Preferences to access more detailed notification options. Inside Preferences, you'll find another tab called Push Notifications. Select that to continue. Once you're inside the Push Notifications menu, scroll down until you find the section labeled Related to You and Your Posts. Under this category, there's a box labeled Contact Joins X. This option sends you alerts whenever one of your contacts from your phone or email signs up for an account on X. To stop receiving these updates, simply uncheck the Contact Joins X box. As soon as you do this, the change will be saved automatically, and you'll no longer get those contact notifications. It's that simple. And there you have it. You've just turned off Contact Join alerts on X using your PC. From now on, you can focus on the notifications that actually matter to you. If this quick guide helped, don't forget to leave a like and subscribe for more simple tech tutorials just like this one.